Hello again, this is Dr. Marc Micucci with D&M Chiropractic with another most common questions asked by patients. This one is, are chiropractic neck adjustments safe? Yes. The short story of it again is yes, they are safe. Now, there are some conditions that we would be sort of like a red flag for a neck adjustment, and a few of those would be, hypertension, uncontrolled hypertension, smoking, high cholesterol levels. Those all would be considered, but if they're managed through medications, the risk is very low, extremely low. A lot of patients ask a lot is, are the chiropractic adjustments permanent? So they are to a certain extent, but not completely permanent to where you would get adjusted once and the bone would stay or the vertebrae would stay where it needs to be. An analogy of this would be is if you ask the dentist if brushing your teeth once ever is good enough. It's the same thing with your spine. You want to make sure that your teeth get cleaned all the time. The same thing is you want to make sure that we clean your spine, make sure that the motion and the vertebrae are moving properly. So yes, to a certain extent it is, and then to a longer extent it would need possibly routine visits. This one is, are the noise or the sound that an adjustment makes, is it safe? Yes, it is extremely safe. Basically all that is that when the adjustment is being made, there's an increased pressure in the joint and there's gas in the joint. So when you add pressure with the adjustment, you add pressure to the joint, the pressure builds inside the joint, and when the adjustment is made, the gases inside the joint are being released and you hear that click. It's just like, or a pop. That's the same thing as when you hear the noise when you crack your knuckles, but only this is much more specific and the adjustment is being done in a very specific direction and angle. So once again, thanks again. Look for our videos, like and subscribe, or follow one of the links. Have a good day.